Today, I'm going to give you the secrets to make an epic and viral fitness video. Step number 1, make outlandish claims. Look, the biggest secret right now in the fitness industry is right here. If you combine sodium and chloride in with your creatine right now, it has an anabolic response in your body 17 times that of Anavar. Step number 2, you need to cite animal studies from foreign countries from 60 years ago that nobody will ever be able to find or verify. Look, man, the studies are all there. 1932, Moscow, Soviet Union. A bunch of Soviet scientists did experiments on the now extinct Tasmanian monkey spider, and they found that just adding sodium and chloride into the creatine made that monkey grow 422% in 6 months. Step number 3, you need to plug products with snake oil at a discount to make people think they're getting the value. Look, the results are there, the studies are there, but it's really hard to make this stuff. However, I have a secret base where I make this stuff just for you. Normally, one bottle of my NaCl creatine will go for $300,000. But today, if you order right now, I'll give it to you for the discounted price of 14 easy payments of $1,000.